This is a fuel rail, this one. But here is a where's the okay, this is a pressure sensor. This one, pressure sensor. And this is the rail. So we do the same. We have to hear the click sound. When you press here, and you pull out. Press and pull. So let me just put my camera in a way that I will show everything being done properly. Now there, I think I can see I'm dealing with this rail here. This is the rail here. So I press and pull. You press it, doesn't want. So I'll look for a screwdriver and make it pull. Right? Aha, it's out. It's out, I can feel it. Okay. This thing here, it's supposed to be the one. Pull out, yes. This cable is out. And then this one is the plug. Look at the plug. It's gone. It's longer there. Now it is supposed to sit like this, the rail. You take it out. This is the plug again for your plugs. This is another one. Remove the plugs here. Remove the plugs, all of them. Remove the plugs. Right. The harness, this harness here, it goes under. This wire goes under this tube here. There it is, and this one here also go under. There it is. We can release. But now the harness is connected to the rail from the power source, fuel source. So we're gonna take out the harness. So here is the rail. Now, okay. So this is the harness for the rail. So we can separate the harness again here. I'll show you just a minute. Same plug. Yeah, I heard the click sound. I heard the click sound, but it doesn't want to pull out. You see? It clicks. It doesn't want to pull out. It clicks, but it doesn't want to pull out. Okay? This is the engine for that.